Uh, okay. Good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining me today. Let's start by looking at what we'll be covering in our discussion of NST computing reference architecture. And these are the table of contents we are looking today. And when coming to the introduction part, cloud computing is a revolutionizing IT infrastructure as we know it. It's not just a trend, it's a transformative technology shaping the future of business and organizations worldwide. The NIST, which is National Institute of Standards and Technology, Cloud Computing Reference Architecture, provides a crucial framework for understanding the complex landscape of uh, what we call cloud computing concepts. And let's dive into overview of NIST. This framework is unique because it offers a vendor neutral and conceptual model for discussing cloud computing requirements, structures, and operations. It's not about promoting specific solutions, but rather providing a common language and understanding for the cloud computing landscape. Uh, Moving on to our next topic, let's explore the major actors and their interactions within the cloud computing ecosystem. First, we have the cloud consumer. This can be an organization or an individual utilizing cloud services to meet their needs. Then there is cloud provider, responsible for delivering these cloud services to consumers. We also have cloud auditor, who plays a crucial role in conducting independent assessments of cloud services to ensure compliance and security. And the cloud broker manages relationship and service usage between consumers and providers. And lastly, we have cloud carriers, and they will provide the essential connectivity and transport for cloud services to reach consumers. And, and the important note is that the consumers can request services directly from providers or through brokers, while auditors assess services independently to ensure quality and compliance. Uh, and my friend Nitish will continue from next slide.
Hello. Coming to the cloud consumer and cloud provider, we can go into a little bit detail. What is cloud consumer? Organization or individual using cloud services represents individual or organizations using cloud services. Activities including browsing service, catalog, requesting services, setting up contracts, and payment arrangements. We have some several examples like software as a service. That means SaaS, PaaS, platform as a service. IaaS means infrastructure as a service. Based on this, and also when coming to the cloud provider means entity delivering cloud services. This means provides cloud services to the consumers. We have some several responsibilities, including deploying, managing, and securing services. And coming to the SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS, what are the differences and what are the consumer activities and private activities? Coming to the software as a service system, uses application service for business process operations. That is in terms of consumer activities. When coming to the provider activities, it installs, manages, maintains, supports the software application on a cloud infrastructure. When coming to the platform as a service, consumer activities are develops, tests, deploys, manages application hosted in a cloud environment. When coming to the provider activities, provisions and manage cloud infrastructure and middleware for the platform consumers. Provides development, deployment, administration tools to the platform consumers. And coming to the final one is infrastructure as a service. For consumer activities, it creates, installs, manages, and monitors service for IT infrastructure operations. For the provider part, it provides physical processing, storage, networking, hosting environment, and some other things. Next slide, please. Next slide, please. Yeah. Coming to the service orchestration. Basically, orchestra is how we organize the things of the cloud and everything. So it refers to the arrangement and coordination of cloud infrastructure for service delivery. We have three-layer framework: physical resource abstraction and control, service layer. Here you can see the diagram. Service layer we have SaaS, PaaS, IaaS, and we have resource and abstraction and control layer. Physical layer we have hardware and facility. Service layer, it goes to the software as a service, and on the other side, it's consumers, business processes and operations. These people use the software as a service platform. And application development, they use, so we have several applications such as Instagram, social media applications. We use these platforms as a service. These all things come under a service layer. And coming to the infrastructure, we use IaaS. Next slide, please. Cloud service management. How we manage a cloud service? It encompasses service-related functions necessary for managing and operating cloud services, includes business support, provisioning, and configuration, portability, interoperability requirements, etc. And when you see the diagram, cloud service management are basically divided into three types. One is business support, and next one is provisioning, configuration, and portability and interoperability are coming to one go. In business support, you can see that customer management, contract management, inventory management, account and billing, reporting and auditing, pricing and rating. These all has to be comes under business support. These are all things that are major factor for the cloud consumer. Provisioning and configuration, rapid provisioning and resource change, monitoring and reporting, monitoring, SLA management. These all comes under the maintaining the cloud service management. When we have resource change, what we give to the consumer is very important in this platform. Okay, portability and interoperability, data portability. This is basically means how we transfer the data, how secure is the data is transferring, how safe is our data is in the cloud. Okay, copy data to from another devices, like bulk data transfer, service interoperability, unified management interface, system portability, VM image migration, application and SCC migration. Next slide, please. Coming to the security and privacy. Nowadays, security and privacy is the most important thing for any common man. And cloud offers a high quality, high standard of security. We have it encrypted with basically is around 128K bit security protocol, but they are trying to improving the more bits. Okay. Coming to security, cross-cutting, concern spanning all layers of cloud architecture, shared responsibility between provider and consumer. Privacy, important consideration for protecting personal and sensitive information in the cloud environment. Next slide, please. We have three: cloud auditor, broker, carrier. Cloud auditor conducts independent assessments of cloud services, operations, performance, and security. Cloud broker acts as an intermediary between cloud provider and consumer. Cloud carrier provides connectivity and transport of cloud services. For cloud auditor, critical for ensuring compliance with regulations and security policies, plays a key role in verifying security controls and privacy compliance. As for broker, provides service intermediation, aggregation, and arbitrage, enhances service delivery and simplifies complex integrations. When coming to the carrier, facilitates access to the cloud services through network and telecommunication infrastructure, establishes SLA with cloud providers to ensure service quality. Next slide, please. Business use cases. Business use cases highlight the requirement of cloud consumers. A target business use working groups provides a template for documenting use cases. Use cases describe current system states, desired cloud implementation, and integration with other systems. We have security requirements and network access considerations. The cloud first business use case involves expanding analysis to multiple interacting systems requiring interoperability and portability across various deployments. And Vidya will continue from me.
Hello everyone, I'm going to discuss about technical use cases. So here technical use case demonstrate how users and resources interact with cloud systems to achieve specific goals, like how to copy data objects into cloud. And here we see the SAJAC working group develops technical use cases capturing generic and cross-cutting requirements of cloud consumers. So, business use cases inform specific technical requirements expressed in SAJAC technical use cases. And also in high level business, use cases map to general technical requirements, driving analysis of cloud standards, ability to address these requirements. Next slide, please. And coming to development deployment scenario perspective. So here cloud deployment involve complex interaction between USD agencies, cloud consumers, and cloud providers. So here we have three main groups of interaction scenarios. And so by observing this picture, we can say that uh, as I said, there are three interaction scenarios. So first one is single cloud on a single cloud. So there are some interactions like deployment on a single cloud and management management of resources on a single cloud, and then interface of enterprise systems on a single cloud. And next scenario is multiple cloud, which is serially one at a time. And here we can see operations like migration between clouds and interface between the two clouds, and also selecting a cloud. And coming to other interaction, which is multiple cloud interaction. And so here we can see operation like operating across several clouds. And coming to common technical requirements across all scenarios include data management, VM migration, vendor selection, monitoring tools, data migration, single sign-on, process orchestration, resource discovery, SLA evaluation, and auditing. Next slide, please. Okay, and scope of control between provider and consumer. So the scope control varies across different clouds, service models, and affecting what each party can do within the cloud system. So as we can see in the picture, cloud provider and consumer share the control resources in a cloud system, and uh, this control is delineated over the application, middleware, and OS layers. And application layer is nothing but it includes uh, software application targeted at end users. And coming to middleware layer, it provides software building blocks for developing application software in the cloud. And the last layer is the operating system layer, which is also a hidden layer, and it includes operating system drivers. And the rest will be continued by my teammate Tanay.
Hello everyone, I'm here to discuss about the cloud deployment models. It is further classified into four types: public, private, community cloud, and hybrid cloud. In public cloud, which offers computing resources over a public network to the general public owned by the organizations providing the cloud services. Whereas in private clouds, grant exclusive access to a single organization managed either internally or by a third party and can be on-site or outsourced. And next one is community clouds, serves group with shared concerns like security and privacy managed by participating organization and hosted on-site or outsourced. And next, the last one is hybrid cloud, combines two or more cloud types using technology for data and application portability. Next slide, please. Service orchestration, which involves in composition system components to support cloud providers in arranging, coordinating, and managing computing resources. It is involved in three-layer model, includes service layer, resource abstraction, and control layer, physical resource layer. In this service layer defines interface for cloud consumers with optimal dependencies among service as a platform, platform as a service, and uh, IaaS components. Resource abstraction and control management, which manages access to physical computing resources through software abstractions, including hypervision, virtual machines, and access control. The last one is physical resource layers, encompass hardware resources like computer networks and storage components. Next slide, please. Cloud service management. Cloud service management encompasses functions necessary for managing and operating system services required by the proposed to cloud consumers. Components include like business support, provisioning and configuration, portability and interoperability. In business support, a customer management, contract management, and inventory management, accounting and billing, reporting and auditing, pricing and rating will be there. And provision and configuration, rapid provisioning, resources exchanging, monitoring and reporting, metering, SLA management. Portability and interoperability mechanism for data portability, service interoperability, and system portability across multiple cloud environments. And the next slide is going to continue by my friend Lakshmi.
Coming to the security and privacy, cloud security is a collection of security measures designed to protect cloud-based infrastructure, applications, and data. These measures ensure user and device authentication, data and resource access control, and data privacy protection. Cloud security is employed in cloud environments to protect a company's data from distributed denial of service attacks, malware, hackers, and unauthorized user access or use. Different service models and deployment models are used to achieve cloud security. Among all deployment models, private models are more secure. Security in cloud computing is crucial to any company looking to keep its applications and data protected from bad actors. Most of the emerging technologies like AI, blockchain, and IoT cannot exist without the cloud. Cloud computing makes a lot of things possible which was impossible due to the availability of massive number of computers. Cloud computing is useful in providing easy to access high performance computing, networking, and storage via the net. I am concluding that this NIST cloud computing reference architecture provides a crucial framework for understanding cloud computing concepts. The NIST reference architecture offers a conceptual model for discussing cloud computing requirements, structures, and operations. It's a powerful tool for understanding cloud computing without prescribing specific solutions. Next slide. So this is all about NIST cloud computing reference architecture. If you have any queries, please let us know. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Yeah, అయిపోయింది. Thank you అందరికి.
Yeah.
Okay, bro. Sainath, enjoy the party. Bye.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah, bye. Okay, bye అందరికి.
Bye
Bye.
bye.